afternoon. My name is Aylie, and I'm here on behalf of Team Astra to present our solution to RRC's AI and Cybersecurity Sandbox Challenge. RRC is known for producing workplace-ready grads. People come here for real-world experience, not just theory. But the reality is that RRC serves a diverse student body. We have data science students who have never touched cybersecurity, business students who know that AI matters, but they're not sure how to integrate it into their solutions, and cybersecurity students who maybe want to build an application, but they just don't know where to start. Across all these programs, there's one common thread. All of these students will need to integrate AI and cybersecurity into future work. Not just tech students, everybody. But right now, there's a critical gap. Because there's no safe place to fail, students aren't experimenting. You can't practice a cyber attack on a live system, because one mistake could expose sensitive data, crash critical infrastructure, or even cost your company millions. From a data science perspective, using cloud platforms such as AWS poses risk for racking up thousands of dollars in compute costs. So students play it safe. And when they graduate without ever breaking something and learning how to fix it, they enter the workforce unprepared for when something inevitably goes wrong. When we first started thinking about this challenge, that's the lens we chose to approach it from: how to fix a broken system. While we still believe there is merit to that approach, we stepped back to consider the greater audience that would be using this space. And we realized that we were cutting learners out. Most students don't need incident response training first. They need confidence first. So we reframed the problem. Instead of asking how to help students fix broken systems, we asked how to give all learners a safe and ethical place to build skills before things go wrong. That's where Astra comes in. Meet Sarah, a second-term DSML student. She's great with Python and she's awesome in stats, but she's never touched cybersecurity. She knows she should understand it and that her future employers will likely expect her to know it, but she just doesn't know where to start. And she's afraid to ask questions. Astra is designed for students just like Sarah. It's a gamified, agent-supported learning environment where students can explore, experiment, and fail without real-world consequences. Using real tools with real scenarios, but inside a controlled space. Let me show you what Sarah's experience looks like. When Sarah logs on, she's greeted by a warm reception AI agent.
Welcome, Sarah. What are we working on today?
Next, Sarah is prompted to choose a domain to explore.
Please choose the domain you would like to enter.
Let's say she chooses cybersecurity.
Cybersecurity, great choice. Would you like to pick up from where you left off, start a new challenge, or work through a custom scenario?
Sarah has the option to resume a previous challenge, start a new prefabricated challenge, or build a custom learning experience, which is what Sarah's going to be choosing today.
Would you like to play offline with agents or online with peers?
Sarah will be playing offline today, but she also has the opportunity to input a lobby code and join an existing environment. This will be used to access industry-developed challenges. For example, if I'm a dev who wants to stress test a prototype, I might find great benefit in putting it in a room with students and having them try their absolute hardest to break it.
Please choose what you would like to work on.
Sarah has a particular interest in real-world applications and chooses to have Astra simulate Sony's 2014 cybersecurity breach.
Looks like you have chosen the 2014 Sony Pictures hack. Should be an exciting experience.
Next, Sarah gets to choose how much support she receives from our AI mentor.
How much support would you like from your mentor?
Sarah's feeling pretty confident, so she chooses a 4 out of 10. Next, Sarah picks between attacking and defending.
Would you like to play as the red team or the blue team?
The AI receptionist will build out an environment according to Sarah's exact choices, with all of the tools and the context she'll need to solve this challenge.
Great. Building your environment.
This approach allows support without direct instruction. And since she'll have access to an AI mentor, she won't be shy to ask questions, which will drive her learning. Here's our vision for Sarah's environment.
Welcome to Sony Sarah. You will be receiving your first instructions shortly.
On the left are built-in applications, such as the terminal, files, network map, and logs. Below that, we have our active agents. Sarah can call upon these at any point to assist her at any point along her challenge progress. Finally, over here, we have a team chat where she can communicate directly with those agents. What I'm showing you now is just one student's journey. But this platform supports so much more. Students earn achievement badges, both local and certified. They can collaborate with peers or AI mentors in real time. They complete portfolio-ready projects on a regular basis, all on a customizable platform that meets students where they're at. The only thing you can't customize is Erica, our built-in ethics agent. Erica is always running quietly in the background, ensuring responsible use both in person and online. What sets Astra apart is that we're not building another cybersecurity lab. We're building a bespoke learning experience that adapts to students. Whether someone is just getting started or doing advanced research, the environment meets them where they're at. AI and cybersecurity become approachable, not intimidating, and safety is built in the design. When students aren't afraid to fail, they learn faster, they think more critically, and they graduate ready. The students we spoke to agree that this is absolutely a service they would use, with 80% of them saying they would engage with it weekly. But this solution doesn't stop there. This benefits RRC as a whole and their reputation for workplace readiness, employers who need skilled grads, and industry partners who can test real-world problems in a consequence-free environment. With Astra, everybody wins. Thanks so much.